The final report in the social reporting window that I'd like to talk about is our conversions report. You'll find that by selecting conversions in the left-hand navigation under the social dropdown within the acquisition reporting category. I'm going to close the menu here, and let's take a look at exactly what's going on with this conversions report. Essentially, this report's going to allow you to quantify the value of social. It'll show you the total number of conversions and the monetary value of those conversions that occur as a result from referrals from each network. Now, again, you have to set up conversions and goal tracking to enable this feature, and we're going to talk about how to get into conversion tracking later on in this course. But I do have a conversion goal set up that does have a little bit of data in it, so we can sort of look at this together. So the first thing that Google's going to do is show you the total number of conversions for the date range that you've selected, and you'll see that appear on the chart, and I can see that I had 2 conversions on May 30th, and down below, I can see that those 2 conversions came from Facebook and no other social networks. You'll also notice at the top of the screen, you can select the conversion. So if you had multiple conversions, here's where you would come filter between them. You could select them all, select none of them, or select an individual amount. You'll also notice that below that, you have the total percentage of conversions, so 0.56%. And as you hover over that, you're going to see that this is 2 out of 354 conversions. So this isn't the conversion rate on the site. This is just how much social has contributed to your overall conversions. In this case, 0.56%. If you select on the assisted conversions versus last click interaction analysis, you're going to see that the chart looks the same at the top, but down below, the table changes. Here we can see we have a number 1 in assisted conversions and a 1 in last click or direct conversions. Assisted conversions are the number of sales and conversions that the social network assisted. So an assist occurs when someone visits your site, leaves without converting, but then returns later to convert during a subsequent visit. The higher those numbers, the more important the assist role of your social network. In the last click column, this is the number of last click or direct sales and conversions. So when someone visits your site and converts, the session is considered last click. The higher these numbers, the more important the social network's role in driving completion of sales and conversions. You also have a ratio here on the far right, and the ratio is going to summarize the social network's overall role. A value close to 0 indicates that the social network functioned primarily in a last click capacity, and a value closer to 1 is going to indicate that the social network functioned equally in both assist and last click. And if the value exceeds 1, then the more the social network functioned as an assisting capacity. Now remember, you'll need to define your goals in order to really leverage this report, but it's helpful in getting a quick, at-a-glance view of the value of your social media efforts.